Hey YouTube, Slice44 here, and I got a zippo for you. I bought today. Awesome, I love it. I'm gonna have a review on that in a little bit. You guys haven't seen my zippo collection, so I'm gonna show you real quick. Here we got a 451 real tree zippo, black crackle. I don't know the model of this. It's a black ice with like a flame. It's a slim version. There's another slim version. Marlboro. All of them are zippos. This is my oldest slim. This is my oldest regular. Okay, well that's not the video. That's not what it's about. I'll have a separate video on that explaining all of them. But my main video is on this. Alright, well, here today I went to the flea market, and this lady had two zippos. She had this one, and she had this one. Well, I saw them, and I'm a zippo collector, so I was like, oh, wow, that's cheap. I did not know it was real brass, or I did not know, you can see the bottom. Let's see if you can see them dark. I don't know, you're not going to be able to see that, but it's a 1932 to 1992 Zippo. This is not a replica. The lady didn't know what it was worth, so I said $15 for both of them and I'll call it a deal. She said okay. And the only thing what's bad is there's initials on it, so I'm kind of mad about that, but a brass Zippo for $7.50 is cheap. It has no wear on it whatsoever. Loud click. And there's a new wick, not ever used. The inserts all brass too. In here, I'll get the box to show you. This is the box that came in. Old Zippo box. Here's the guarantee that is solid brass Zippo. Open it up. There's a little pamphlet. It says, "Congratulations, you are now the proud owner of a brass Zippo." Stuff like that, blah blah. So that's to show it's really brass. But I love this Zippo for the price. I mean, it was awesome to buy. That's me. Okay. Well, you can tell it's brass too by the sound. Here's the sound of a real Zippo, black crackle. Here's the sound of a brass Zippo. More ding. It's more heavy too. Okay. Well, and this is a sponsoring camel. It has like an engraving. Pretty cool. But, I mean, I can't believe it's that old. Get the insert out and check it out. Here's me. You can't even read that. What am I thinking? No, not at all. But, apparently in the old Zippos, I was finding out, they used, Roman numerals in their thing, because, and this is Roman numerals too. You can't see it now. Okay, but it has Roman numerals, and then this one has it on the insert. But this is solid brass, brand new. For the price, this is awesome. I haven't even struck it yet. That's an awesome Zippo. I don't know if I should put fluid in it. I kind of want to keep it brand new. If you guys could help me with that, please leave a comment below if I should put fluid or not in it. But awesome Zippo, very nice. I have enough. Oh no, I don't. Well, I'm just about to run out of time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Slice44 out. Peace.